Okay, so what if we had meet our attorneys here, leave this size, and then here we put videos, and then we have like, I don't know, like thumbnails of like 4 or 6 videos, and then when they click on it, it pops up big screen. Can that be done? Okay, you know the band of services. I'd like it like this, like how this says who we are. The same line with the little thing, and have a section up top that says how we help, and then have that band of have this band, our practice areas, and then make it like this, but then take it from the site, right? And take these, put them in for now like this until we get the color scheme from the client, and then we'll change it. Put that, and then you've got and then you put the who we are, right? And then I'm going to change it up again. Do all this like I said in the videos, but then here I said I want to take and put meet our attorneys, and then on here so meet our attorneys, and then have here social media, and then have it be the YouTube videos like I just talked about, and then want to be an intern with us. One second. I'd like this in the site as well. Actually, you know what? How about we? Sorry for changing this around, and I'll pay you for it. Pay for all the hassle. But how about we take attorney referrals, and we put that here, like so. Meet our attorneys, right? We put those two here, and then here we put this section that I just attorney referrals, and maybe even have that, because of the close working with our attorneys who refer the case to the firm. And I'll send you the link to this website. Actually, I'll just send you the text, and then have this go to the contact page. Okay, thanks.